The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. A good understanding have all they that do his commandments. His praise endureth forever. Psalms 111 and verse 10.
Royals, and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2022 to each and every one of you. If you are new, welcome. My name is Roanna Latoya, and if you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. First, I want to wish everybody a happy 2022. So we give God thanks and praise for sparing our life to see yet another year. So today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous 20-inch burgundy kinky curly unit from Original Queen hair, and the hair came in this box right here. This is their 13 by 4 99J kinky curly unit. So this is in 180% density, you guys, and they say if it's nice, do it twice. I did an installation video on the 16-inch curly unit from their company as well. I'll leave the video in the eye so you can check that out before or after, whichever one you prefer. I use my diffuser to kind of diffuse the curls so it could be more on the poofy side, which I like. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this gorgeous unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into the installation process. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in partnership with Original Queen Hair. They sent me over their 20-inch 180% density kinky curly wig. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies. I received this cute pair of eyelashes, a pair of stocking cap, along with their hair care instruction as well, with their social media platforms. So a bit about the cap construction of this 20-inch kinky jerry curly unit. It's in the color burgundy, and inside of the wig it has 3 combs behind of the lace, one on each side, one to the middle, and it also came with a comb to the back as well, along with adjustable straps so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the installation process. Happy New Year, everybody. So this is my first official video for 2022. I pray that you had an enjoyable Christmas season and that your new year is going well so far. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing today. This is from Original Queen Hair. This is their 20-inch 99J burgundy unit. So it's a 13 by 4 parting space unit, said to be 20 inches, but the wig is not. So you guys, this is gonna be a quick and easy install. I already went ahead to do my ball cap method, you guys. So yeah, I tinted my stocking cap with my black opal foundation in going ahead to tint the lace on this wig before I install it. Start to take my foundation and put it in the lace of the wig. So I'm going to be using my Kiss Almighty glue to do this install.
So I'm going to be using 2 layers of my Kiss Almighty glue today. So I'm just going to apply the first layer of the glue. I'm going to blend that out, use my blow dryer, and then I'm going to apply the second layer of the glue before I begin the installation process of this burgundy unit from Original Queen Hair. Once I'm finished applying the both layers, I'm going to start to push the lace into the glue. So I'm using my rat tail comb to do that. And after that, I'm going over that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray, go over that with my blow dryer. And I'm just going to melt everything together with my elastic band. And I left that on about half an hour. So once the lace has been melted, it's time for me to cut off the extra lace to the front portion. So while I'm gonna cut off the extra lace to the front portion, I'm gonna be letting you guys know that by the grace of God this year, I'm gonna be focusing mostly on Christian content. I'll be doing a few hair content every now and again, but my main focus this year is to get closer with God and to develop my channel into one that encourages persons all over the world. So that's going to be my main focus for this year, you guys. I know some of you guys have subscribed to my channel for hair videos. Don't worry, I'll be doing a few hair videos, but I'm going to be doing more Christian content. So as of right now, I'm just going to work on my baby hairs per usual while I'm doing the install. So I'm just going to get the baby hair that I need together to the front portion. And if any glue is showing, I go in with my Black Opal foundation in the shade Carob. And now I'm going in with my Murray's Australian beeswax in the yellow bottle to get everything sleek. And after that, I just go over that with my thermal hot comb just to make sure everything is on flat. So I'm just going to go ahead to work on my baby hairs to the front portion. I'm just taking my razor comb just to cut down the hair that I'm going to be using to create my baby hairs. I'm going to be using my Holy Grail, my Gorrilla Snot Gel per usual to lay my baby hairs. If you have been watching my hair content for a while, you know I love to use Gorrilla Snot. I'm just going to continue to work on my baby hairs until I have them the way in which I want them to go. So once I'm completed finessing my baby hairs, I'm going over that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray just to set everything in place. And then I'm just gonna go ahead to melt the lace a little bit more. So after the lace has been melted, I'm just perfecting the parting space using my Black Opal foundation in the shade Carob, just to blend that in so that the lace could match a little bit more with my skin complexion, because this lace was more on the hard side, so I had to finesse it to my liking, you guys. So once that is done, I'm just gonna do the finishing touches on this burgundy unit that I got from Original Queen Hair. So I'm just gonna add a few layers to the front of this wig so that it could frame my face a little bit more. So after I finish adding some layers, I'm just gonna work on finessing the parting space. So I went over that with my Murray's Australian beeswax in the yellow bottle, and over that with my thermal hot comb. And I just went ahead to melt the lace a little bit more while I dab my hair with my water and my VO5 conditioner, and I'm just going to diffuse the curl a bit, and then I go over that with my ISO Plus hair sheen. And to finesse the parting space a little bit more, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance True Contour palette just to finesse the parting space. And that concludes the end result of my burgundy 20-inch unit, you guys.
So you guys, this is the end result of my 20-inch kinky curly unit that I got from Original Queen Hair. So a bit about this wig. This is their 13x4 Brazilian burgundy kinky curly unit in the density of 180%, you guys. It's like a deep burgundy color, and this unit is in 20 inches and it's 180% density. This unit retails for $225.34 on their hair site. So they have length from 16 inches up to 28 inches, and they have 150% density, and they also have 180% density. You can also choose from different types of lace. You can choose the lace frontal, which I'm currently wearing, or you can choose their 4x4 closure unit. So far, you guys, I received a minimal to little shredding on this unit. I did went ahead to bleach the knots on this wig. Everybody loved the last install, so I just decided to do another install. It is 20 inches, but it is not so long. I could say it's like 18. The bob curly wig is definitely cute, and I actually like it this length. That's all I have to say about this unit. It's 10 out of 10. I would definitely purchase this unit. Again, they have length from 16 inch to 28 inches. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave all the information for this wig in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing. So thank you so much again for watching this video, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do.